Hello friends, my name is Sia and today we will be making another craft, or should I say experiment. We will be making a sponge boat, but also with that we will be making an experiment if this will float or not. It should float on water, but we will see once we have finished this boat. I hope you enjoy making this boat with me, and I will now show you the materials needed. Materials needed to make this sponge boat. Obviously a sponge, 1 toothpick, a small triangle, and a big triangle with holes. You can make the holes once you've had like this. Once you've had like this or here, they can align for that. So if you have a big triangle without holes, pause this video and go ahead and make your holes, and then come back. For this flag, this small triangle will be used to glue on the toothpick for the flag. So we will be needing this, but make note, this does not need holes. And there are 2 triangles, and these are the materials needed, and let's begin. Now I'll be just sliding the sponge over for a moment, and we will be doing with the toothpick and these triangles. We won't be needing the smaller triangle right now, but I will take the big triangle. So first, I'm just going to slide this in with the hole so that the toothpick can hold it like this. Now we have our other hole, right? So I'm just going to put it in as well. You can put it either way. It's like the sail is going this way or going this way. I'm just going to keep it this way. Now, our small triangle comes in. We will be needing a bit of glue for this part. So, I will just dab a bit of glue. I'm using wet glue for this part. So, I'm just sliding it and curling it right here. I'm curling my small triangle up a bit to make the little flag. If you think the flag is too close to the top of the sail, you can push it down. So this piece is now the boat's sail, like this. You can move around the flag or the sail, and this, we will need the sponge. So I'm just going to get this, and since this is toothpick, I'm going to just pinch it right in the middle. I'm just going to slide this up a bit, and our boat is ready. Now, we will be needing a container. Don't stick with small because our boat won't have much size to swim in. So, this is my container, and if you see, there's water inside of it. Fill 3/4 of water inside your container size. Don't stick with small, or else the boat won't float and slide around. Now, I'm going to put my boat right here, and I can just slosh it around. This is also another boat I made. They can sail together or be one boat, like this. This is a cool water experiment that you can do, so they can like sail together with the same thing, like this. And I hope you all enjoyed my boat craft and the experiment, and I hope you come back for the next read alouds, crafts, learnings, and more. I hope you come back, and I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye for now.